Hey there mga my loves! Virgo, bago natin simulan ng inyong March 2024 reading, yan na announcement na meron tayong channel, no, na bago ang Dalnim. So yan mga babes, no, ang link niya ay nasa description box, no, at yung Dalnim na yan, no, ay collective or all signs readings yan mga babes, no. So pwede kayo dyan kahit ano pang zodiac sign ninyo. Just take how this resonates here with you. Guys, yan mga babes, wala tayong gender here, ba lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo, cross-watchers, all welcome here. You can flip roles if you want. And at the end of the day, of course, meron kayong free will. So for this reading, we're gonna use two decks right here. So yan mga babes, no, just take how this resonates. And thank you so much, no, hi and hello new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan. Welcome, no, at sa returning subscribers, maraming salamat din po sa suporta ninyo. So yeah, mga babes, let's go ahead and check this messages here for your March 2024. Pero yun nga mga babes, shuffle na muna natin both bago natin tuloy yung pag-usapan. Anong meron here for your March 2024 reading. So maraming salamat sa mga angels and spirit guides, Archangel Michael. Maraming salamat for being present here in this reading. This is for my Virgo people. What do we have here for Virgo? Messages for Virgo for the month of March 2024, please. Virgo. Okay, so let's shuffle this one as well para tuloy-tuloy ang ating pagbasa here. So yeah. Spirit and angel guides, tell me more. For me, Virgo people, please. I'm hearing Scorpio, so others could be dealing with the Scorpio but doesn't have to be. Maybe that is one of the signs sa particular na viewer na nanonood, no? Pero yun nga, you could be dealing with any zodiac sign. Alright? March 2024 for Virgo. Tell me more. Tell me more. March 2024 for Virgo. Tell me more. Okay, so let's go ahead, Virgo, and check these messages here for you guys. So, ilatag naman na natin lahat, but you have the first energy sa March na. Let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Could be friends, family members, pinsan, relatives, kind of thing, co-workers, no? People you know. Yeah. Or maybe someone here might be asking here a help from a friend involving a situation here with you guys. Situation is asking or calling you to have faith. So, this could be related here to love and connection. So, yung iba, no, kung kayo ay connecting here with someone new, whether talking na kayo or hindi pa. Kung hindi pa, this person might be asking help, no, sa friends niya, no. Pwedeng kilala niya yung friends ninyo, no, or kilala rin kayo ng friends niya or common friends niyo, no, or co-workers nila, no. But this person definitely here, kahit hindi niyo kilala yon, humihingi siya ng advice at tulong sa kanyang mga friends, no, para makipag-close sa'yo or kung paano ba rito mga babes, no, makukuha ang loob mo. So whether this is new person here connecting na sa'yo or kahit na hindi pa, gusto niya ng connection, no, at seryoso siya rito. So this situation is calling for you to have faith. So I'm seeing a Cupid. So this is someone here significant or special in your life. So kung ito man ay may relationship na kayo, yung iba mga babes like nafo-fall in love na kayo sa kanya, huwag kayong matakot kasi spirits are saying that you can trust this type of intention. Dahil pure naman ito at nakikita ko naman na maaari talagang umusbong ang tunay na pagmamahal sa pagitan ninyo. Yeah, see, it is safe for you to love. It is safe for you to love that person here and with the presence of white horse, no? White horse kasi in the classic tarot is an indication na yun ay padala, no, ng divine. Kung sino man tong tao na to na parating sa buhay mo, padala po siya ng angels and spirit guides ng universe, no? Kaya nga sabi ko sa inyo, special siya, no? So, open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all, no? So, this is your knight in shining armor, your Prince Charming, your princess right here, your king, your queen, no? So, yung iba naman, kung may relationship na kayo dito, parang meron siya ditong pa-surprise for you, Virgo, no? Asking here help of friends and, other people around you. Yung iba, nakikita ko dito mga babes, no? Ito, very specific to. This will not resonate to everybody, no? Pero, kung kayo man ng partner mo ay nagkatampuhan or nagtatalo ngayon, no, nakikita ko na parang humihingi siya ng tulong, no, with his or her parents or family members or friends niya, no, kung paano ka rito susuyuin. So, maaaring meron dito mga energy, no, na may tampuhan kayo ngayon, no, or parang hindi kayo okay right now. So, this person here is asking help, no, with other people around him or her, no. So, we have here the engagement, no. So, iba naman mga babes, nakikita ko dito, no, na maaari talaga kayong ma-engage or magkaroon talaga dito, no, ng pathway kung saan magbibigay daan yun upang makilala mo, no, isang bagong tao rito kung hindi mo pa siya nakikilala. Engage, no, with the word engage, mapapasok talaga kayo sa mundo nitong person na to, na itong tao na to, no, ay papasok kayo sa mundo niya. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment, no. Sa iba naman nakakita tayo ng proposal, sa iba naman nakakita tayo rito, no, ng may engage kayong dalawa, no. We have here, pay attention to the red flags, no. So, maaaring dito mga babes, no, kung kayo man ay, ikakasal na, no, or doesn't have to be na ikakasal or magpo-propose, no, para sa iba. Kasi meron din dito energy ng someone nyo pa lang 'to na paparating, no. Kung papansinin niyo, may posibilidad na, "Ay, teka lang, baka mamaya hindi pa pala 'to yung person for me. Ay, teka lang, tama ba na patuloyin ko 'to sa buhay ko, no, baka mamaya, isa pala 'tong red flag, no, kasi gusto ko ng green flag." Or ng green light, no, like a go, no. Parang ikaw kasi 'to na gusto mo i-push 'tong connection na 'to, pero yun nga, no, parang may mga naiisip ka ditong hindi maganda. Paano kung itong person na 'to, no, what if this person here is hindi pala talaga yung for me? What if this person here hurts me in the middle of this connection 'pag fall na talaga ako ng tuluyan sa kanya? What if nag-guess ako rito, hindi kaya parang pinasok ko yung sarili ko, no? What if kaya kung eto na talaga yung the one? Kasi next this one is this. It is safe for you to love. And spirits are saying stay optimistic about your love life. So definitely remove that negative mindset. And optimistic is what? Think positive. Positive thinking and faith will bring you romance. So nakikita ko na kung sino man tong tao na to dumating or paparating pa lang sa buhay mo, no? No need to pay attention right here to negative feelings and emotions. Just stay optimistic out of the situation. Because it is safe for you to love him or her, no? That is the one sent, no, dito sa white horse na ito, mga babes, no, ng yung angels and spirit guides. There's that Cupid in there. This is protected and well guided by your angels and spirit guides right here. And yeah, let your friends help you. So nakikita ko, no, na ang suporta ng pamilya, ng kaibigan mo, no, or ng mga tao sa paligid mo ay nakasuporta with this person. At kung bagong energy to, no, magbibigay sila dito ng suporta kasi mararamdaman nila ang intensyon nitong person na 'to sa'yo. Busilak po ang kanyang puso, 'no, at saka mabuti siya ritong tao. Wow! So yeah, let's keep moving. We have here the Queen of Wands energy. This person finds you really, really attractive at mas lalo ka raw gumaganda habang nagfo-focus ka sa trabaho. So, puwedeng katrabaho mo siya at tinititigan ka niya ng madalas or pasulyap-sulyap ka niyang tinitingnan, 'no? Kung ito man ay may crush sa'yo at puwedeng nasa loob siya ng kumpanya or business, 'no, na pinagtatrabahuhan, 'no, or baka nasa paligid lang din siya around you. This person finds you so attractive lalo na daw kapag nagfo-focus ka sa work mo, 'no? And I don't know why this person also finds you sexy, 'no? Alam mo ba nakita ko dito? This person finds you really sexy na parang sabihin na natin na binuhat mo lang yung mga files, 'no, kasi nilipat mo, 'no, from here to there, 'no, near your desk, 'no, and then lumabas yung mga ugat mo here, 'no, sa biceps mo, 'no, and then that person ang sexy niya, binuhat niya yung mga files, ang macho-macho niya talaga, ang gano'n 'no? This person here finds you really attractive here, Virgo, so whatever the case may be, whatever you do, lalo na 'pag nagfo-focus ka raw sa ginagawa mo, sobrang 'no, nai-inlove po siya sa'yo 'no. 'Yan 'no, tahimik lang itong person na 'to na hindi mo alam 'no, kahit na connected ka na sa kanya, tahimik lang siya rito 'no, na minamahal ka 'no, like literally 'no, alam niya kasi 'no that you love receiving compliments. Hindi naman sa malaki yung ulo mo 'no, pero parang masaya kapag nare-receive mo yung gano'ng compliments 'no. Pero para sa kanya 'no, yes, talagang tunay na maganda ka at tunay na gwapo ka 'no. Talaga naman na yun ay lumalabas at hindi maitatatuwa 'no. Ikaw kasi parang alam nitong person na 'to 'no, na 'pag nabibigyan ka ng compliment, "Ulitin mo nga, sige nga, gusto kong marinig ulit." So, puwedeng kahit yun ay pabiro for you guys 'no, this is you. You love compliments, sinong ayaw, 'di ba? Masarap sa pakiramdam yung nako-compliment ka sa trabaho, sa itsura, sa appearance 'no, na, "Uy, bagay sa'yo yung damit mo, uy, bagay sa'yo yung gupit mo." And 'di ba, it makes you feel good. It makes you feel na parang tumataas yung confidence mo 'no, at mas ini-improve mo pa yung work mo kung work related yun 'no, or kung yung confidence mo tumataas kinda thing 'no. It benefits you, 'di ba, in a positive way, yan. So, let's keep moving. I'm seeing an opportunity right here, which is I do love. An opportunity will show up with you guys. I do pick up 6 weeks from now, or let's say 6 days from now, the fastest for others. Pero nakikita ko rito ng opportunity na to ay darating March 2024. Okay? Do not miss this opportunity. And I know na hindi mo to i-miss because it will take you to that long time success na gusto mo for yourself, no? This will bring you and step into the Empress energy is stepping into abundance and prosperity. And I do pick up that this is something here na mare-recognize ka. So, hindi ko alam kung ito ba ay business mo or sa trabaho, pero pwede sa kaperahan ng mismong nakikita ko. At nagkakaroon ka rin dito mga babes ng oportunidad na makakonect dito sa iba't ibang mga energies, no? Pero, salain mong mabuti. Kasi nakikita ko rito, no, na ang abundance ay sumasa iyo or nakakamit mo rito 'no, sa mga susunod pa na mga buwan right here for you guys ay magiging maganda ang flow ng energy mo. People will definitely get attracted to your energy and your energy is really standing out. You have that spotlight on you. Pero yun nga 'no, be prepared because this opportunity will pop out 'no, out of somewhere, out of the blue right here. So make sure you gonna grab this one. Huwag kayong mag-alala kasi right after makita niyo ito, this will really something here na iisipin at iisipin mo. So, I'm seeing you taking this, no? And I'm seeing you na hindi mo 'to mami-miss, okey, na opportunity na ito. So, this opportunity will take you to that long time success na gusto mo for yourself. And ito ay may kinalaman sa pera, no? Yung iba puwedeng pangalan ito, no, recognition, no, na magdadala sa inyo sa top or sa rurok ng tagumpay or success na tinitingnan mo 'no, sa trabaho or kaperahan or business mo. So, nakikita ko dito that with the High Priestess right here and the Empress, I'm seeing you right here keeping your plans inside you, not telling it or not making chu-chu with everyone. And nakikita ko dito na 'yan mga babes 'no, ang magdadala rito sa'yo ng mas mabilis dito sa pagtapak mo sa Empress energy 'no. Don't tell other people your plans. Don't tell them right here your major tips 'no, of success. Okay, keep it to yourself because you will definitely gain from that, okay? And it's pretty very, very soon right here. So I think it has something to do with your finances and wealth. I'm hearing property, so others of you could be buying here a new home, a new house, or a new car. Okay, we have here the Ace of Cups, Energy, King of Cups. Someone here is coming towards you to reveal to you he or she loves you so much. Confession. Yeah, this is the same energy. Pwedeng ito yung person na magpo-propose na sa'yo rito. This person is emotionally available only to you, Virgo, no? And whoever this individual is, I do pick up that he or she is very persistent to pursue you. So, kung sino man to, no, na pwedeng new energy rin for others of you, no? Because I'm getting that same energy we've got through me here. I'm picking up that with the Chariot, King of Cups energy, Ace of Cups, definitely this person here is feeling that pressure. Kaya nga siya humihingi ng help with other people, like best friends niya, no, or people na maka-close niya rito, no, kasi this person's definitely so eager to win your heart, Virgo. And I'm picking up that this person here will bring a lot of lucky charm in your life, no? For some reason, hindi mo maintindihan, no, na sa pagdating nitong tao na to or kapag mas pinatuloy mo siya sa puso at buhay mo, no, unti-unti ditong papasok ang mas marami pang biyaya sa life mo, no. So spirits are saying fight for this connection because this is not something here that will betray your heart and that will betray your trust right here. Like, no, this is someone here different. Listen to your intuition because this person's coming. This person's definitely inside your orbit already. And whoever this individual is, I do pick up that this is someone here that will surely matches your expectations. Baka nga exceeds pa your expectations when it comes to love. So nakikita ko dito na parang kakausapin ka, no, ng I don't know kung boss niyo ba 'to. Excuse me. Kakausapin ka ng boss mo rito, 'yan 'no, nagsimula na mag-ano yung voice ko na siguro nagpe-prepare na 'tong HR niyo or nagpe-prepare na 'tong someone with a higher position to talk to you. Yung iba, puwedeng ito yung in-applyan ninyo basta related to work. You do not see this coming because, this is coming from behind you, pero this is the type of talk like this is something here that will offer you, okay? They will offer you this type of opportunity when it comes to your work. At puwedeng ito na rin 'no, yung isang hudyat or sign na, ito yung opportunity na dapat mong hindi ma-miss. So nakikita ko rito once it is served sa'yo, nakikita ko rito 'no, na mararamdaman mo. You feel connected with that offer right away. So nakikita ko rito na there is a strong travel. Puwedeng may magta-travel rito sa March 'no. At nakikita ko rito 'tong travel na 'to mga babes 'no, nag-travel ka lang ha, nag-travel ka lang. Pero alam mo 'di ba 'pag nagta-travel anong ginagawa? 'Di ba bumibili ng pasalubong bago umuwi, okey? Dito mga babes hindi pasalubong na normal like hindi yung mga delicacies 'no or hindi yung mga food or mga souvenirs yung makukuha mo dun. Meron ka rito mga babes 'no na na mauuwi 'no dun sa travel na yan at yun nga yun mga babes 'no, yung sobra ritong makakatulong sa'yo. Diyan sa travel na yan magiging tatak yan sa'yo kasi meron ka diyan na puwedeng makilalang connection 'no, na magdadala sa'yo rito sa Empress energy. Someone will help you 'no, na ma-achieve yung goals at yung dreams mo in life related to money. At yung ibang mga babes, nag-travel ka lang pero nag-uwi ka pa rito talaga 'no, ng love life para sa iba. So, yung iba puwedeng ma-meet mo yung love life mo diyan 'no, yung nag-travel ka lang ta's pag-uwi mo 'no, may boyfriend ka na, may girlfriend ka na. I'm also picking up that for you, Virgo. Pero whatever the case may be, yung pag-travel mo, anumang sitwasyon yan, hindi mo yan malilimutan. Kasi meron kang bagay 'no, na mauuwi na sa pag-uwi mo alam mo sobrang okey, sobrang blessed ka to have that. This is general reading and for a lot of my Virgo people right here 'no, iba-iba kayo ng maituturing dun 'no, na bagay na mauuwi ninyo out of the travel. Pero kung ano yun, sobrang ipagpapasalamat mo yun because that will stay. That is calling for long term. So yeah, ito ang mga mensaheng nakuha natin here for you, Virgo. Maraming maraming thank you guys 'no, and maraming salamat sa suporta sa Sarang Hayo Love and Light.